Ito po.
Ito na po, Doc.
Okay, so again, good evening, everyone, and welcome to this RBA, or the Revolutionary Business Advantage. So why is it called revolutionary? Because indeed, this company has changed, has improved the lives of thousands of Filipinos already. And it has produced self-made millionaires, hundreds of self-made millionaires already. And despite this pandemic, this business has withstood, has conquered the trying times brought about by the pandemic to the businesses, because the products that this company is producing are very essential in boosting our immune system. So we are so fortunate that this company called ifern, or the International Filipino Entrepreneur Resources Network, is producing us these vitamins and supplements which are vital in our immune system. Now, to give you a brief background about the company, ifern is the maker of this leading brand of vitamin C, Fern C, which is actually the only vitamin C in the Philippines which carries the seal of approval Quali-C, which is by the way of European standard, which assures us that we are taking the safest form of vitamin C. Aside from that, Fern C has been awarded as the brand winner in the World Branding Forum or Awards in 2016-17. So out of more than 2,800 brands from 35 different countries, so si Fern C yung winner. So that was a pride, not just for the company, but for the entire Philippines as well. So with that product alone of ifern, we can now establish how credible and how established this company is. So ifern Corporation has been in the industry for more than 16 years as a multi-level marketing industry or a networking company. So some of you here, yung hindi pa members, I think this is the main reason why you have this hesitation, this apprehension in joining here tonight. Because as we know, networking companies in the Philippines has created a negative image because most of them focus only on the recruitment aspect. But let me emphasize this. With ifern company, we can be assured because this is the only networking company featured in Go Negosyo, which is a mandate of Philippine government. And what we have here in ifern are products, which are world-class quality products, which are very vital to our immune system and actually considered as the master key to our immune system that we doctors can prescribe to our patients, and each and every one of us can promote and share because this is everyone's necessity in this pandemic. So to continue, ifern has produced already hundreds of self-made millionaires. It is led by a multi-awarded businessman and a talented management team. As to the corporate center of ifern, is located in Ortigas Center, Pasig City, and a warehouse in Mandaluyong City. So we have all these licenses and permits assuring us that the ifern is not a fly-by-night company. The president and CEO of this company is Mr. Tomanitan, who is multi-awarded, a very reputable businessman, actually one of the top 50 entrepreneur of the entire Philippines. And he is the only networking company president chosen as a business mentor in Go Negosyo. He has received multiple awards, among of which are 2012 Boasting Awardee, Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year, and recently he was featured as the People of the Year cover in People Asia magazine because of his award-winning products, Fern C and now Fern D, and because of bringing invaluable income-generating opportunities sa lahat ng ifern members despite the pandemic. So showing you a short video clip coming from the president of the company.
Good morning. So you just finished going around all of the ifern offices, no? The building, the seminar area, the selling area, and I know that you've seen also our warehouse. No, so bakit siya tinatawag na diamond tour? No, many say because diamond is clear. No, but we would like to say that diamond is the hardest substance made on earth. No, and doing the diamond tour, no, allows us to show you, no, how hard or how strong or how credible, no, how established is ifern as a business. No, hindi kami yung kumpanya na bagong bukas lang. No, we started operations in 2003 as Fern Incorporated. No, in 2004 we launched Fern C, and by 2007 Fern C was already the #1 vitamin C in the entire Philippines. Okay, so in 2012, no, knowing that we wanted to go outside of the Philippines, in 2012 we launched ifern, and now it's 2020, and we have conquered, no, the local market. No, before kung sikat is Fern C for Fern Inc., now ang sikat is Fern D for ifern. We just acquired a new warehouse beside our existing warehouse, and that is designed, no, to hold, no, the expansion of ifern not just in the Philippines but outside of the Philippines. Kasi sobrang lakas yung volume, sobrang lakas, no, sobrang galing ng mga leaders ng ifern na tuloy-tuloy yung paglaki ng kumpanya. No, what we have here in ifern is sharing prosperity globally through entrepreneurship. And right now, we are just beginning, no, the steps of going out of the country. And what we have for you is a solid, no, networking company, no, anchored not just on offline movement but on online movement. Anchored not just on local growth but international growth. And all of our products, no, are very important in the current global scenario. And what we have is vitamins that boost your immunity. So, coupled with the products that are very important, no, during this time is a marketing plan, no, or a business system that has withstood, no, or have conquered. No, what we're telling you is right now we are just beginning. And if you're watching this video, then napakaswerte mo. Ikaw ang unang nakakita ng video na to sa lugar ninyo, sa pamilya ninyo, sa kumpanya ninyo, or sa barangay ninyo. No, you are the first, so you can be the first mover. Everybody else, no, who want to earn, everybody else who want to be safe, no, is going to be under you. No, etong mga leaders namin, no, na makakasama ninyo dito sa Diamond Tour, no, yung nakapag-ikot, no, nag-explain kung anong meron dito sa ifern, no, sila nauna lang sila ng konti sa inyo. They were ahead, no, by maybe just 1 year, no, some 2 years, no, maybe the longest 4 years, no, nauna sila ng 4 na taon, pero napakalaki na nung pagbabago sa mga buhay nila. So kayo, you're just watching today, no, I'm telling you, it's just the right time for you. Our message, no, or my message to everybody, no, the Filipino, no, should not be second-class citizen. The Filipino should not be known as OFW and seaman. No, my dream is for the Filipino to be known as international networkers, to be known as successful entrepreneurs. And this little company, no, from the Philippines called ifern is branching out. It's going to you. It's going to your area. No, whether online or offline. Whether they will visit you through Zoom or they will visit you in person. No, the question is, mauuna ka ba or magpapaiwan ka na naman? Now, the question is, do you want to be on top or do you want to be at the bottom? No, if you're thinking, too late na, I tell you, no, we only have 300,000 active members in ifern right now. No, the world has 7.8 billion people, and you can be on top of any million or any billion of people if you wanted to. So make your move right now. Come and join us. Come and visit us if you are allowed to come and visit. If not, you know, panurin mo, ulit-ulitin mo tong video na to. Tignan mo, totoo ba siya o peke. Walang special effects dito. Katotohanan lahat yung pinapakita namin. Come, join us. We'll make you rich. Our vision, no, sharing prosperity globally through entrepreneurship. Come and be our partner, and I will make you rich. I guarantee it. Thank you.
Indeed, that was a very inspiring message, and truly, there's a very promising opportunity here. So moving forward, ifern partnered two of the world's leading suppliers of vitamins, that from DSM of Switzerland in Europe and from Glanbia Nutritionals in USA. So all of the raw materials of our vitamins and supplements are sourced from these two giant science-based nutritional companies. So this is the product line of ifern. We have here our power trio, the Ferndi, Milka, and Fern Active. Along with that, the Silver Fresh and Fern Flex, Fern Coffee, and the line of Aurora Beauty products. So basically, these are basic commodities, necessities in every household. So bakit tinatawag na world-class products ang ifern products? So because of the seals of approval na hindi mo makikita sa iba. So not just from FDA, it is recognized in the World Branding Awards as Brand of the Year, si Fern C and now Fern D. It is halal certified. It has TruCal certification, assuring us that we are getting the calcium from real milk. And it has quality, quality, and quality blend seals of approval, which are of European standards. Now, when we say quality, it assures us that we are taking the safest form of vitamin D. For quality, it assures us that we are taking the safest and quality form of vitamin C. And for quality blends, it assures us that we are taking the safest combination of multivitamins. So, kami mga doctors, when we see seals of approval like this, no question on the quality and safety of the product. So why is the use of vitamin D very much highlighted in this pandemic? Why are the doctors giving high doses of vitamin D among COVID-19 patients? Now, according to these experts, Dr. Ryan Cole, among others, that more than 90% of hospitalized COVID-19 patients with severe symptoms are found to be vitamin D deficient. Now, this is a world data now, a scientific fact, not just based on mere correlation with vitamin supplementation. So with this data, they have found out that if you are vitamin D deficient, then your immune system is suppressed or dysregulated. Okay, so they have coined this vitamin D as the master key to our immune system. Now, another expert, Dr. Michael Holick, who is an endocrinologist and one of the world's leading experts in the study of vitamin D, has published a book that vitamin D can actually prevent and treat a lot of chronic conditions, medical conditions like osteoporosis, heart disease, cancer, autoimmune diseases, depression, insomnia, arthritis, diabetes, chronic pain, psoriasis, fibromyalgia, and a lot more. Okay, and there is this promising result now on the use of vitamin D on depression or mental illness among COVID-19 recovered patients. So we are so fortunate that this company is providing us this vitamin considered to be a master key to our immune system, the master key to our immune system in the form of Firm D. So this is the flagship product of ifern. So primarily strengthen bones and muscles, of course, boost immunity, reduce the risk of falls and fractures because it facilitates the absorption of calcium. It is good for the heart and it is recommended for all ages, from prenatal, infancy, toddler, up to the later years in life. Vitamin D has a crucial role in promoting our overall health because this is actually involved in more than 200 metabolic processes in our body. So ganyan ka-powerful si vitamin D3. So as to the awards and recognition, for 3 consecutive years, Fern D has been recognized as Brand of the Year in the World Branding Forum in Kensington, London. So 2019-20, and recently, last March 12, 2021, it was still awarded as Brand of the Year out of more than 4,000 competitors in the category of vitamins and supplements. So si Fern D yung winner. So that was for our flagship product. Another product comprising the Power Trio is the Fern Active. So the sodium ascorbate present in Fern C is now incorporated into this product, the Fern Active. And aside from that, it is packed with vitamins B1, B2, B6, and B12, which based on comparative studies is more effective than that of Neurobion. And aside from that, it is also packed with zinc, calcium, and vitamin D3. So this is very good in boosting our energy levels, enhance our mental alertness, and of course, boost our immune system. So our very own Dr. Willie Ong is also a proponent of the Power Trio supplementation against our fight in COVID-19. So the third product comprising the Power Trio is the Milka. So this is the only one with TruCal seal of approval. TruCal is from a seal of approval from Glanbia Nutritionals of USA, which assures us that we are taking the calcium from real milk. So compared to those other products in the market, which are actually derived from synthetic limestones and seashells, so with Milka, we are assured that the calcium we are getting is from that of real milk, so easily absorbed, and it can be taken by people with lactose intolerance. So aside from calcium, it also has phosphorus, magnesium, and potassium. So this is our Power Trio, which is our best defense against COVID-19 and against contracting these chronic medical conditions. So this is considered to be our frontliners to our immune health. Now we can do actually something about this pandemic. With this Power Trio, we can get this right message across to other people. And that right message is that we can take control. Each and every one of us can take control of our immune health. Because if we have a healthy immune system, then we have a healthy population. Tama, di ba? So for doctors, the memes, in memes, we can find here our Fern Active, Fern D, and Milka. So for non-doctors, memes is our drug reference guide in prescribing the medications. So another product that we have here in ifern is the Fern Flex, which is considered to be a supplement for healthy joints. So it contains type 2 undenatured collagen. So it's very good for healthy individuals with active lifestyles and also for those suffering with osteoarthritis because it can reduce pain and inflammation. And this is, by the way, 2 times more effective than that of glucosamine. So we can start our day with this very healthy 3-in-1 coffee mix, and which is packed with vitamin C, B1, D3, calcium, and zinc. And by the way, the vitamin C here is very gastric friendly, so walang hapdi sa tiyan because this is the sodium ascorbate present in our Fern C. So we have that unique Silver Fresh toothpaste. Why is it unique? Because this is the first in the Philippines to use silver ion technology that helps prevent the growth of bacteria in the mouth. So practically kami in our family, we saved a lot of hundreds from buying mouthwash or mouth rinse because we get the benefit of these antibacterial properties from the mouthwash in this toothpaste alone. So tipid siya. And aside from that, it's a zinc lactate that helps prevent tartar, gingivitis, bad breath. It has vitamin E that acts as a natural moisturizer. And it can be used by kids 2 years old and above because it is paraben-free, no triclosan, and no fluoride. So last but not the least, in the product line of ifern is the Aurora Beauty products. So we have here the Aurora Lotion, which has 10-in-1 whitening ingredients, has insect repellent properties, and the Aurora Beauty Bar. Now, both of them have AAA age-defying ingredients coming from the argan oil, the Swiss apple stem cell, and the aloe vera. As we prevent irritation like that of dermatitis, okay, because it is rich in vitamin A and E, packed with antioxidants. And also for the Swiss apple stem cell, it can regenerate our skin, giving us that youthful glow. As for aloe vera, it is a natural moisturizer and antibacterial as well. So we also have here the Aurora Day and Night Cream. For the day cream, it contains stabilized vitamin C, starflower oil, and dual UV filters or the SPF. For the night cream, it is added with vitamin B3 to whiten the skin. We also have the revitalized 4-in-1 face serum containing niacinamide, vitamin C, D, and E, as well as eye cream, which is packed with botanical ingredients, giving us that lifting and tightening effects. So personally, I've switched brands from my previous beauty products to Aurora beauty products. And for 2 months of using them, I can really attest, I can vouch the veracity of its claims. And aside from that, these products are so affordable that every Filipina can afford to apply this on a regular basis. So having presented to you the product line of ifern, let me ask you this question. With the products, with the vitamins that you're currently putting into your body, are you sure that you are getting the quality and safety products? Are they recognized in the World Branding Forum or World Branding Awards? Every time you buy them, do you get incentives? Or do you get to be part of the company? I don't think so, di ba? I think most of the answers hindi, no? But with ifern products, by consuming them alone and being able to share them to other people, you are not just assured or guaranteed that you are using the quality, safe, and effective products, but you are also given the chance to make this as an income-generating opportunity. Because ifern believes in this simple concept, promoting good health and at the same time, creating lucrative business opportunities to all its members. So yun lang po sa products with the Aurora, that's all for the ifern products. And to discuss